Where are you, beloved, on your journey? Are you in your most powerful potency? Or are you feeling like looking through a foggy mirror? Your potential is lying dormant somewhere and you cannot access it in this very moment. But as every mirror can be wiped clean or a veil can be pierced through, I help you clear all of these obstacles in front of you. Think of it as accessing your inner GPS system. Through my Akashic Records readings and my deep dive sessions, we activate your inner compass. We reveal your next level destination, your quantum leap. It's my expertise, it's my passion, it's my fire to ignite within you, crossing this threshold. Shall we begin?